Welcome to Grand Turk, babe.
Thanks, babe.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
Looks beautiful right from the beginning, right?
Yeah.
As soon as you walk off, you see the beautiful water. We got 2 carnival ships, both Liberty and Freedom on the dock. So I'm sure it's going to be a packed day. Wow. It's expensive in here. I know. Hold it all the way hand.
So I'm speaking, I shall be back. You must aim and choose. And I say, I shot the camera, but I didn't choose that.
You're so funny.
Ready for a good time.
Yeah.
How you doing?
got our driver, Mr. Glasgow Wilson, aka Salty. And of course, to my right, we got a beautiful Paloma. So we're bringing you some drinks. Keep the drinks coming while we go, alright? And of course, I'm your DJ for today. Gonna make sure you guys have a good time. There's all types of fish here.
Beautiful, babe.
Yeah, absolutely.
You don't want any of that jerk chicken?
I'll try a little bit of yours.
We'll go get some.
Do it. I'm gonna go to the shops down here.
You can go to the shops down there?
Care
Can't
if I
wait for
spend
me.
money? You better
I'll go with you.
hurry up.
I'll go with you. Come on. I don't really need jerk chicken, but
Right by the box.
it sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
I bet you it's delicious. I bet you I can get some even after the shops.
We only have 15 minutes left. Do 5
Juicy
to 5
Jerks.
times.
That's the name of the
I
guy.
love it.
Juicy Jerks chicken. Sounds
Hey,
delicious.
watch yourself. Get to the one
Get out of the road, babe.
We only have one way to worry about it, so it's okay.
We'll be alright. We get run over here, we gotta stay in the emergency room for a while. And then we get out. And then we live here. Oh, look at, they got fun stuff. Crabby guy. Is that me? Is that my shirt, babe? Crabby girl. There you are. You got a problem with that? Turks and Caicos.
I love it.
Oh, gotta get that. That's mine. Think they'll let me on the plane with that? Oh, it's wood. Hello. Can I get jerk chicken?
Milo hot.
Babe, can you hold that?
Sir?
Yeah.
Milo hot sauce.
Hot.
Anyone? Are we all here?
Yeah.
All right, we're at the lighthouse at Turks and Caicos. So take a look around, do a little rum tasting, hopefully get the drone up in the air, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Cliffhanger bar, cool. The guy's on the, hanging on the beer. That's cool.
The bamboo silver. Put a little ear in your chest.
Thank you.
You're crazy. You know that? You guzzle that right down like you're a kid. Put hair in your chest?
It did. I felt it.
She's like, I'm supporting
Yeah, we got
Local
some,
beer right here.
yeah, some drinks by the
Women
beach,
cup, snacks and drinks.
but not same like the party bus because they're not free, right? Yeah. You gotta have to pay for them.
You do have some rum drink?
Yes.
Oh, goody.
On your left side, because the right side, the other side.
Does it matter where we sit?
Yes.
It does matter?
Once we get down here, as long as it's on our side.
Take this one. How is it?
I love it.
It's so beautiful.
It's so,
The water is so clear.
let's stay right here forever.
Last time we saw water like this was in Puerto Rico. Honey.
Oh, baby.
We're here at Turks and Caicos in the private beach. I mean, this is beautiful. You can see the ships back there, but this you had to pay for this excursion to get to this beach, and of course everybody's way down there. But if you just took a little walk, you have plenty of room to spread out and just have a private beach of your own. So, yeah, absolutely. The excursion was a Jungaloo island tour, which included rum tasting, and we did that at the lighthouse, right? And then it also included a private beach. So the private beach is down there. Beautiful spot, but then you also have all of this. So it's very beautiful. So we love it. Hope you do too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you think, and keep watching. Bye.
Bye.